Good evening, everyone. Today we have a new guide. This is going to be the last guide I designed for you. This is uh, a reading guide to develop strategies on this task, on this kind of skill. And the objective is to read texts analytically. In this case, it is a biography. The material you need is a dictionary and this reading guide. We have three kinds of activities in this guide: pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading. Activity 1, we're going to use pictures to predict content. So you look at the pictures and try to predict the content of this article. And I want you to look at the picture and try to make write down three possible topics for this article. That's the first activity. And then you're going to use the title to continue predicting the content. Then look at the title, read the title, and try to anticipate what the article is about. Then you can write as well three ideas about the possible content. Activity 2, using keywords. In this case, you're going to underline words. You're going to read the underlined words and try to understand the meaning using the context only. So you write down the words here, the new words or expressions which are underlined, and here the meaning. If you can't understand the meaning using the context, well, use a dictionary and write it down here. Activity 3 is while reading. That means that we have done two activities before reading the text, and now we're going to do more activities reading the text while we're reading the text. Activity 3 is skimming the text. That means that we're just going to read for general information. So read the biography of Charlotte Church and identify the paragraph in which you can find the following information. Write the paragraph number in front of each topic. Here you have the topics, and here you write the number of the paragraph. The paragraphs are numbered here, so you write the corresponding number in this space. The title, too much, too soon. Activity 4, this is scanning the text, that is identifying specific information. You're going to write, to take notes here, and about the text, the name of the person, the place and dates of birth, etc. Just take notes. Please don't write complete sentences, just notes. And finally, there are two activities which are called post-reading. Using charts to organize information, you're going to do basically the same about another person, another famous person you admire. So you get information about a person you admire and you organize the information here in this chart. Activity 6, transferring knowledge using the information from this chart. Prepare a short or presentation, that is providing the information you got using this chart, and now you're going to prepare another presentation. If you want to do it, well, I will listen to your presentation during our next tutoring session, but probably not next week, because we have the presentation of the project, the third task of the project, but that will be the week after next. Guys, that's all. Just take into account all the information you have here in this guide. It is a very useful guide for reading. Remember, it is one of the skills that will be evaluated in the exam. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week during tutoring sessions. Bye-bye.